This looks like just another Italian game until I sacrifice a pawn and knight, rip open the center, and checkmate him before move 20. Watch closely, because this isn't a trap, it's a setup. E4, E5, classical start. I bring out my knight. He mirrors. Then bishop c4, bishop c5. Standard Italian game. But now things get sharp. Before Evans Gambit, I offer a pawn to explode the center and gain initiative. He takes. Now c3, bishop a5. I hit the center, d4, he captures. I castle. d3, and here's the mistake. He gets greedy, holding on to the pawn. I pressure the bishop in f7. He defends with queen f6. But now, time for the heat. I blast the center with e5. He retreats his queen to g6 far from the action. He's underestimating the moves that's coming. He pushes b5. I snatch it. He tries to trap my queen with rook. b8. I retreat to a4. He plays. Bishop b6 while building pressure. I calmly develop with knight d2. He responds with bishop e7, but it's too slow. Now I break open the game. Knight e4, then sacrifice a knight. His pawn snatched my knight. Pressure explodes. I don't stop. He plays rook g8 trying to hold, but I crash through. Queen checkmate. All that started with one pawn sacrifice on move 4. He thought it was free, but it was the beginning of the end. If you enjoyed that sacrifice, and the way we crushed through an under 20 move, imagine what we'll do in the next game. Subscribe so you don't miss the next ambush. And if you spotted the mate before it happened, you're not just a viewer, you're one of us. See you on the next board.